passing by, son, are you hurt?
When we think of a name of a fruit, any fruit that comes to mind? Watermelon. Okay, so the name of our pretend school is Watermelon Elementary. 1, 2, 3. I love you. Hey, what's going? I guess you didn't hear me. Hey, what's happening?
My name is Chelsea Siciliano, and I teach 5th and 6th grade, and we just saw Kids for Kindness with Mark Beckwith, and it was absolutely fantastic. It was age appropriate. The kids loved it. Even though there were puppets involved, Mark does such a great job making sure that it's appropriate for the upper elementary school grades, and the kids were completely engaged and laughing and had a blast. So I highly recommend his show.
What's Gruff doing?
Flossing. Let's post it.
Wait a minute, we better ask him. He looks a little weird. You might be embarrassed.
Is this a joke?
A joke? Not even as a joke. You see, if you post it, somebody else might repost it. Somebody else might repost it.
Respect! Respect! Do this! Always treat others the way you want to be treated. Always treat others the way you want to be treated.
Now, Winnie never cried in front of the bullies because she didn't want them to see that she was hurt. But sometimes she would cry as she walked home. One girl, Bonnie, constantly made jokes about Winnie, and Winnie had never done anything to deserve that. One day, Bonnie arrived at school with a broken ankle.
Hi, I'm Corinne McIntyre, and I teach 1st grade, and my kids absolutely loved the show. They were laughing and smiling and talking about it all the way back to class.